Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. I do cleaning and organizing videos. Today's video is very special because I have a big surprise for you guys. I received something on the mail last week. Oh, I am so excited to share it with you. Oh, this is so heavy. Look at this. I never seen anything packaged like this, you guys. This is from Kpblis weight blanket company. Look at this is 15 pounds blanket. Look at it, you guys. You can even travel easily with it. This is 15 pounds, and I will show you what it look like. Look at this, guys. Oh, this is so heavy. This is a 60 by 80. This is great for people who suffer from insomnia, muscle pain, autism. They do have a small size for children, 38 by 48, I guess that's what it is, and it's 5 pounds. But it goes with your weight. Mine is 15 pounds. It's 60 by 80, and this is very heavy. I have mentioned it in this channel before that I'm suffering from chronic arthritis. My mother has it. Her dad died from it, so I've been using this blanket all week, and it's really relaxed my painful hands and feet, because whenever it's cold, my feet and my hands hurt so much. So this product is relaxed my muscles, and it's very warm, and it makes you sleep. Like I said before, I don't sleep that much because I have 2 channels and I have to edit my videos usually when the kids went to sleep. So this is my sitting room. So at night I always edit in here, and this helps so much with the cold. Kpblis weighted blanket gravity sensory heavy throw cotton cozy bed blankets. Adults and kids come with use and care instruction. Weighted blankets are not a new concept. They have been recommended by doctors for decades. The underlying concept of weighting a blanket is based on the well-known sinus, the deep touch pressure (DTP), engineered to be around 10% of your body weight. Kpblis weighted gravity blanket is helpful to those people who have autism, anxiety, child hyperactivity, sleep disorder, and sensory disorder. It creates a natural calming effect in some kids, helpful to relieve the pressures of daily life, increasing your working efficiency. A weighted blanket is a heavy blanket that provides gentle, even pressure, like a whole body hug. Research has shown that this kind of pressure triggers the release of chemicals in the brain, including oxytocin, serotonin, and melatonin. Our nervous system calms down under the weight of a heavy blanket, creating a feeling of deep relaxation. Yeah guys, especially you guys live in Europe, you're gonna appreciate this product. This is good for the cold time, especially this winter. You are going to love this product. This is very heavy. It's made 100% from cotton. Yeah. I've been enjoying it all week, you guys. Especially with this bitter cold. It's been so cold in here in the East Coast area, and this is huge. And the exciting thing is the way they package it is like amazing. You can travel with it. You see how cute it is. It doesn't even look like a blanket. It looks like you have this style bag So beautiful, and the company name is in here, as you can see, and the packaging is amazing. I do love how they package it. Oh yes, I have two. Yes, look at it. And the bag is very quality. So it does look like a designer bag. I'm not kidding. It's gold. It's beautiful. So if you are guys interested to purchase Kpblis company, they've been generous enough. They provide you a coupon, or I will post it on the description box. And thank you so much Kpblis for sponsoring this video. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to claim your discount coupon on the description box. Thank you guys for watching. Okay guys, I'm going to sleep now. Bye bye.